Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And in this video, I'm going to be looking at the Electroneum price. I'm also going to be looking at the Pirate Chain price, and I'm going to be looking at the price of a very low cap, secret, hidden private cryptocurrency, which in terms of its privacy is a match for Monero. Unlike Monero, this one's really undervalued, in my opinion. I'm also going to share with you how my Shrimpy bot has been doing, and how I've been using Token Metrics educational and informational platform to produce these sorts of results. Also, please follow me on bittube.video. You can also follow me on Odyssey. These are both censorship resistant platforms, and every now and then I am going to post a video which isn't going to be on YouTube. Apollo have produced the ultimate hardware wallet for your cryptocurrency assets, probably the most secure hardware wallet going. Use my affiliate link and the code for a discount. I'm going to start by showing you what's happening with my Shrimpy trading bot. I stopped trading on it for a few months when the price of Bitcoin dipped. I restarted on the 3rd of August and I put in 0.1 Bitcoin, which is 100 milli Bitcoins. And you can see that here, and the price went up to 5th of August to 0.105. That's a 5% increase. Sorry, then it went right down to 0.092. I lost money, but I stayed with it using the same strategy. And I am now 9.87% up since August the 3rd. Now, this is in Bitcoin terms, but in dollar terms, I've had an increase of about $470 I've made. But I'm interested in accumulating Bitcoin. And this really is a set and forget strategy. And this strategy has been informed by Token Metrics. I've been using their Trader Weekly Index for low cap KuCoin, that's the name of it, which is updated every Monday, when their artificial intelligence algorithms and their machine learning algorithms look at all sorts of data points, millions and millions of data points, to determine which are the best low cap altcoins to hold for that week. And why have I chosen KuCoin? Just look at the results it's been producing. These are the low cap trader indices that they have. All exchanges 22.45%, Binance low cap 46.04%, Uniswap 36.03%, KuCoin low cap 235.55%. Now, I chose low cap coins because they're way more volatile. So although the losses can be greater, the gains can be greater too. Now, here's a chart showing performance of the KuCoin low cap index against BTC. This is BTC, this dark blue line at the bottom. And this is the KuCoin index over the last week. They launched this index at the beginning of July. And you can see how well it's performed since then. Now, I've got my affiliate links in the description below for Token Metrics. It gives you a discount, and also for Shrimpy, that gives you a discount. So I invite you to check it out so that you too can make these sorts of returns yourself. This is Pirate Chain on the weekly chart. It listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinPaprika in November 2018, and it was just mere pennies. And it has gone up to a high of about just underneath $17, and currently it's around about $4.29. And you can see that we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're in the 6th bullish week in a row, and we have a halving coming up end of October, beginning of September. And something else has happened with regards to Pirate Chain is that they've raised money to develop wrapped R. So the ticker symbol for Pirate Chain is R, and wrapped R, WAR, means that this can then be traded on Uniswap. This will bring increased liquidity to Pirate Chain. This will allow you to anonymize your ERC20 holdings and your ETH DeFi transactions, because you send R to an ETH DEX, gets converted to WAR, and then you can trade the WAR with other ERC20 should you wish to do so. It will also allow Pirate Chain holders to convert their R to WAR and then deposit it in the liquidity pool and thus earn a share of the transaction fees. Now, I don't know when it's going to be launched, but Pirate Chain have raised the money through donations. So this is a project that didn't do an ICO, didn't do a token raise, doesn't have a team fund or a dev fund or anything. So all development happens through donations. And Pirate Chain is the most secure and private cryptocurrency going. Now, this is Pirate Chain on the daily chart. I've zoomed in, and here it looks like what seems like a rising wedge. Now, a rising wedge is a bearish indicator, because what happens is that the bulls aren't able to push the price up as dramatically as they were in the beginning. Doesn't necessarily mean the price is going to go down, but if it does, it'll be about the same distance as this. So we could have a drop to about $3.50, and there's resistance here at about $4.30, I think it is. $4.40, and that's from resistance here and also resistance here and support here, and previous support becomes resistance, becomes a resistance, and it looks like it's being tested again. So technically it looks to me a little bit bearish in the short term. Fundamentally, I think it's very bullish, and it's not guaranteed that the price will break down. It could just carry on following this curve. It's forming this large cup and handle where you have a correction when it reaches near the top around just underneath $6 before shooting up again. Now, Pirate Chain is a member of the Blockchain Privacy, Security and Adoption Alliance. a group of cryptocurrencies that work together and collaborate to promote privacy, security, and adoption. And Pirate Chain is way more private than Monero. Now, the other privacy crypto coin that I'm going to talk about is a fork of Monero, and I think it's ridiculously undervalued. Now, I hold Pirate Chain, I hold Monero, I hold this one because I think it's important to hedge and diversify. Now, this is the chart of Monero going back to January 2015 when the price of Monero was about just over 21 cents. Now, if you'd have caught the bottom, and who catches the bottom, you could have picked up a handful of Monero at 21 cents. And looking at the price right now, that 21 cent Monero coin is now worth $283, with a lot more upside potential to come, in my opinion. And that's because it is a great privacy coin. And I wish I'd picked up Monero at 21 cents. I didn't. But what about picking up a fork of Monero that has a growing and expanding ecosystem that gives it a real use case and also has a finite supply? See, Monero coins are going to be printed forever. That's the nature of the algorithm. They're not finite. But this Monero fork, the coins are finite. And it's also very easy to get them for free. And the Monero fork that I'm talking about is Tube, which is the central currency of the BitTube applications, which includes BitTube.video and BitTube.tv. You can find my channels there, as well as their peer-to-peer alternative to Zoom and Skype, which is completely encrypted and private and secure and decentralized. And I'll tell you in a moment how you can get Tube coins for free. This is Tube on the daily chart, and you can see here it's forming what looks to me like an ascending triangle. We got higher lows and they keep bumping up against resistance just under 7 cents. And this is a bullish signal. We also have a tightening of the EMA ribbons, suggesting that there is going to be a breakout at some point, and it's struggling to get above the EMA ribbons, but it's not below. And then the recent high of 2.7 cents would constitute something like a 400% increase from where it is right now. And I do think it's going to return to those highs. One, because of what's happening in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin's resumed its bull run. And two, because of all the development that's going on with the Tube project. And three, because of people are going to be looking for privacy-focused cryptocurrencies. So if you've got Pirate Chain, if you've got Monero, well, you might want to look at adding Tube to your portfolio. Now, you can get Tube for free if you install this browser extension. And what it does, it rewards you, depending upon how much time you spend online, with a couple of Tube coins every day. And the browser extension includes a built-in wallet. So you get Tube for free, same privacy features as Monero, finite supply, growing ecosystem, and severely undervalued, in my opinion. Now, Electroneum is also severely undervalued, and it had a recent high just around about 4 cents. I think it just went over and then came back down again. And it looks like it's forming this large bowl, a bit like the cup and handle we saw with Pirate Chain. Now, there's likely to be a correction when it goes down, and then it'll shoot back up again, hopefully. Price is above the EMA ribbon. So it's bullish on the daily time frame. And although on the weekly time frame it has gone down this week, the trend is still bullish because it's above the EMA ribbons on the weekly time frame, looking to break through the 150-week moving average here. Now, there was a fair amount of resistance just under 2 cents, 0.18 cent. And I think what's likely to happen as the EMA ribbon is tightening, it'll go back up. This is Electroneum on the 4-hour chart. And you can see here, this trend line I've drawn here, this horizontal line, is resistance, considerable resistance here at 1.8 cents. And the EMA ribbons are tightening. And as long as it breaks above the EMA ribbon, I think it's going to continue this trend. All right, that's it. Let me know what you think. Comments and questions in the description below. Do check out Shrimpy and Token Metrics, affiliate links in the description below. Let me know in the form of a ticker symbol if you hold ETN, ARRR, Tube, or Monero even. XMR. Do follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram announcements channel, and please come and support me on the censorship-resistant platforms, Odyssey, Library, BitTube.tv, and BitTube.video. Between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.